Oh, Messi's agreed it. Get in. I knew he'd come. Sorry, did I say that loud in front of all of you? Oh well. Cat's out of the bag. Firstly, just to be clear, in case you wonder. Sorry?
Is that Dave Messi from Limerick Wanderers or whatever it is?
I'm sorry. I'll do the jokes. Thanks. Not very good.
You keep telling us you've not got a massive budget, so...
I haven't, but it was Messi's agent who said he's willing to come still.
Right. I see.
He's going to pay the fee for us.
Why not?
Just for the love of the club, for the love of being at Burnley Football Club, and the magnificent football we play.